guys, so it's time. It's about time that we do the giveaway. We pick the winner for the giveaway, I should say. So I have my son with me in the garage, and he's going to pick the winner, as I said in the other video. This is the giveaway set. This is the 10-piece, 10mm set. 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive, 10mm socket set. This is what I'm giving away. It's like a $35 value. I'll put a link in the description. Giving it away to whoever I pick here, or whoever he picks. So what we've been working on today is I sold the engine out of the 350Z, so I'm shipping it up. So that's why this thing is sitting here on a pallet. We've been working on that, but I really feel like I want to do this giveaway and get this thing over with. So we got a bunch of names here. These are going to be the shout-out names. And we have a bunch of names already in the box, and these are just kind of some names. So we had a lot of entries. There was quite a few. There was like 10 pages that I had to cut out of entries. So the shout-out names are just going to be names that, when I quick browse through the list, were very familiar names. Names that I see all the time because they're commenting on the videos all the time, or they've been around on the channel for a very long time. So wanted to give all you guys a quick shout out, and then we'll crumple your asses up and throw it back in the box, and then we'll pick one out. So let's get started on this. So first we got Steve WW07, 01 Camaro L33, 88mm 4L80E. That's the project. I'm going to try to go through these kind of quick. Crumple them up, throw them in a box. Red X-Ray comments all the time. Happy birthday, old man. Thank you. Thank you for that. Pete's Garage, another happy birthday. 97 Mustang Cobra, that's the project. Thank you for the comment. SPL Audio, I know that's a name that's been around for a very long time. Says happy birthday, so thank you for that. 407 for Rent, thank you for the comment. 09 G8 GT motor install. Sounds like a good project. Richard Harris, by the way, happy birthday. He made 2 comments on this video. Richard, you and I don't always see eye to eye, but someday we'll figure this out and it'll be good. So thank you for the comment and thanks for sticking around. Entered into the contest, Matt Sadich. Sorry if I'm butchering the name, but thank you. I see you comment all the time, so thank you a lot. Adam Payne, again, I see you comment all the time, so thanks for sticking around and thanks for dealing with my goofy videos. Hunter Tuned, I don't know how that one made in here, I don't even know that guy. Now, Hunter Tuned, glad I started talking to this dude. Very close, local to me. We started talking years ago and it just kind of happened. So glad I met that guy, and he's a very smart guy and keeps me motivated. Got a lot of cool stuff. Hunter Toon, go check out his channel. Bad Luck Garage, another YouTube channel. Bad Luck Garage. Been talking to this guy a lot on and off of YouTube, and very smart guy, knows what he's doing. Got a Turbo C10 project, very cool stuff. Go check out the channel. Johnny60, that's all I'm going to say is thanks for the comment and thank you for everything. You know what I'm talking about, no one else does, but thank you for everything. Christopher Womack, I think every video, comments on every single one of them, there all the time. Rebuilding a 5.3, 70 Corvette, 1970 Corvette with the turbo. That'll be a good project. DIY Garage, TX, I'm guessing that means Texas. Happy birthday, dude. Have a beer or 6. I definitely had the 6. Good job. David Conley, I love this. Almost every video, I just get a thumbs up. And it's so great because what I think about is awesome about this, it's not even words. It's just a thumbs up. Like, hey dude, I'm here, I see what's going on. Thumbs up, awesome. I think it's great. So thank you for the comments, and it's very consistent. It's like every single video. So thank you so much for that. Cole Murphy, we've been talking a little bit on and off of YouTube actually. So good luck on your projects. Things seem to be going a little bit better. Glad we talked the other day, and hopefully you get this thing ripping like you want it to. Christian Blake, thank you so much for shooting all of the videos that I get outside of the truck at the track. So if you guys like the videos of the truck outside of the truck at the track, Christian Blake, that's the guy who's recorded every single video outside of the truck at the track. So thank you, Christian. Amber Zeller, another one that's very familiar. Hope they get the engine back together and don't break anything again. I hope I don't break anything again too. Someday we'll figure out how not to break it. So thank you, Amber, for the comment. Logic and Fact. Who the hell fuck is this guy? Entered PM coming. All right, so Logic and Fact, we've been talking quite a bit, again, on and off of YouTube. So another good person that I've met through YouTube. Eric Davis, 74 Nova, 53 LS swap. Shannon Sisk, oh my God, I always lose my 10 mil. So do I, and so does everyone else. Just finished a DIY eBay Turbo Trans Am. WS6, made 600 wheel on 93. 93, that's some good stuff. Shannon Sisk, awesome. ProCharge Mopar, in for the 10 mil. ProCharge Mopar. Comments very consistently, but what I think is awesome about ProCharge Mopar, this happened the other day. This is one of the only people that has commented about safety related to drag racing. So I really, really appreciate that. There was a comment the other day that I remember specifically, hashtag family, hashtag kids. So that is very, very important to me. So I actually did buy some safety gear. So I bought my own helmet and I did buy a fire suit. So I just want to say I really appreciate that, because you were right in line on that one with where my head was at with the safety stuff related to going fast. So I appreciate that. Phil Bethauser, another one, comments all the time. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. Currently a small block, switching to a 5.3 80 mil turbo. That should be a pretty good one in an 1980 Camaro. N2 Fast Cars. Happy birthday. Thank you for the comment. Ended up getting, got the same turbo that I have in an 03 Mustang. So I got the eBay GT45 for $150. I mean, you can't go wrong with that, I don't think. Stephanie Giesler, sorry if I butchered the name. Following the project for a while. I see the comments all the time, so thank you very much for the comments. Big Black. Such a good name, Big Black. Happy birthday, have a great day with the family. I did, I actually did. We went out to eat and it was awesome. Justin Peacock, looking for some 10 mils. The Danger Ranger, the good old Danger Ranger. It's always a good go-to name. DIY Garage, thank you for the comment. S10 Extreme LS Swap. 1932 Austin Bantam kit car? That sounds pretty awesome, actually. John Groton, happy birthday, enjoy it. I did. Once in a while I have some good days. Garage Mods 1, just a simple happy birthday, that was great, thank you. Andrew Scott, block equals 4. We talked a little bit. Got a good project going on, making progress here in Virginia on the Firebird. About to mount the turbus. Received the Monkey Fab T6 stainless up pipe today. Sounds like a good one. Deep into a project, that's what I like to see. Plant Manager, I must say, I love your name, by the way. Maybe you have to send me a PM one day and explain what the Plant Manager means. Are you really a plant manager somewhere? 1970 Tempest 2-door post coupe. LQ4 for LAD, eventually turbo. What plant do you manage? Tell me that. Blaine Ludman. I talked a little bit about non-car stuff, so guitars actually, so I remember this. So hopefully I'll get into some guitar action pretty soon. I want to get a guitar and start learning how to play. PSC Mentalist. Garrett, you've been around for a long time, very, very long time. So I just want to say I appreciate you. I really appreciate every single comment. He's been commenting on probably every video that I posted for 7, 8 years now. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you for sticking around so long, even through the car audio to engines going fast transition stuff. I just want to say I really, really do appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around for so long. Cooper Dempsey, another awesome person that I met through doing this weird stuff, and just wanted to say that I really appreciate the relationship and the conversations that we have and all of the people that we meet doing this weird, goofy stuff. And last but not least, Chet Rose, another one that's been around for a very long time and currently working on a 1977 F-150 3-inch lift in 47s. So now that we got all these things crumpled up, let's get to the magic. And I got the winner chicken dinner picker. So we got all of them in the box. You ready? Should we close it up and shake it up? Yeah. All right. Tell me when to stop. Stop. You ready? So you gotta close your eyes and look that way, and then reach into the box, and then pick someone out of the box. You got one? All right. So we have Robert Moore. Robert Moore, you are the winner of the tool set. And it's kind of cool. It's not somebody that was highlighted and shouted out. So it's somebody that's maybe new to the channel, not very familiar with the name. So if you're here all the time and I missed it, I really apologize. And I just want to say, if there's anybody else I forgot or didn't shout out and you're feeling insulted right now, please don't. Happy birthday, man. My current project is a 2001 GMC Sierra 1500 HD. Rebuilding the 6-liter LQ4. Do you have any advice on using the flat tops from an LQ9? Mine has the press fit rods and the flat tops are floating. Again, don't have any experience with that, but I would say with using the flat tops, if you're going to go turbo, it's going to be a higher compression ratio. So just keep that in mind when you're adding the boost and squeezing a bunch of junk in there, that you're going to have a higher compression ratio, so just kind of keep an eye out for that. So usually the LQ4 with the dish pistons, you have a little bit lower compression ratio, so a little bit better for boost. Not saying the LQ9 flat tops would be bad, but just keep that in mind. You have a little bit higher compression, so you may run into some issues if you're not expecting it. But Robert Moore, send me a message. Let me know you saw the video, and we'll figure out where to ship these things. Robert Moore, you the winner. You the winner. Winner chicken dinner. Send me a message. Yeah. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you, assistant, for picking a winner. Let's get these things sent out. We'll get this thing sent out. And we'll get this thing swapped up and driving fast. Have a good one.